On Monday the 12th of March 2018, Blackpool Pleasure Beach began to test Icon by conducting over 25 different launches using the first LSM launch on the ride. This is a completely standard procedure that saw the train launch towards the top hat and then roll back gently into the LSM brakes. After returning to the park the following day, it was clear that Icon was nearly ready for its first full test run. You can see here a slowed down version of the clip so you can see the train in more detail. At around 2:30 PM, the train completed the top hat and made its way around the rest of the circuit, stopping at the second launch for around 15 minutes. Here you can see the train making its way around the incline loop and then on the section towards the drop near Steeplechase. Here's a little look at that clip, slowed down. After meandering around the Big Dipper and Steeplechase, the coaster then made its way into the 0G roll. Here's a little look at that clip, slowed down. After the 0G roll, Icon makes its way into the second LSM launch. However, during testing, it was actually paused for about 15 minutes before continuing up into the Immelmann. Here's a shot of the Immelmann in action, and then followed by that, a slowed down shot of that part of the ride. After this, Icon makes its way to meander around other attractions and near misses with some fantastic banking over the Big Dipper. I tried my best to capture this footage from the best possible angles from outside of the park. Thank you for watching another Icon update here on Theme Park Worldwide. Stay tuned in the coming weeks as we share more testing footage as we get ready for the UK's first double launch coaster to open.